Microsoft is giving their premium certification voucher free of cost and hardly very few people know about it. And in this video, we are going to cover that thing only. So before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. So what are those three certifications? Let's understand and who can apply for this opportunity. So here we have three certification, that is GitHub Copilot, Agentic AI Business Solution, and Develop AI Apps and Agents on Azure. So first of all, we'll cover the first certification. Here its main focus is AI powered coding, and it's best for the people who are developers and programmers. He'll learn about GitHub Copilot, Copilot chat, code generation, debugging, and code explanation, and so on. Second certification we have, I'll tell you how to get access, do not worry about it. Related to AI agents and business solution. It is perfect for AI architects and people who are interested in AI agents. We'll be learning about AI agent solution, multi-agent system, and business security and responsible AI over here. Third one is, as the name suggests itself, develop AI app and agents on Azure. They'll be learning how to build the AI application, and it's perfect again for developers and AI engineers. So these are the three certifications we are getting, and here you can see these are the benefits of it. Now, how to claim this certification free of cost? For that, I've shared the link in the description. You have to follow some of the path. So here we have three courses. Whatever certification you are completing, you have to complete that particular course. Okay. And you have to score at least 80% or above in any of the certification course which they'll be providing you via email. Then you'll be getting a free exam certification voucher. Now here, how to apply for the certification voucher? It's very simple. You have to click on enroll over here. And mostly here you can see all these courses are there. If you want to attend whatever course you want, for example, we have this course, that is AI 103. So from here, you can just search for the course. Let me just show you. Here we have the course and just search it. Here you can see all these courses in different languages we have. You can watch it and complete it. Mostly it contains some quizzes, topics, hands-on labs, all things are self-paced. You can access this course, complete, and after that you'll be having some assessment over here for at least 80% of mark. Once you have done this thing, how to earn free voucher, you have to click on this option. And here are some rules which you need to understand, then only you'll be able to get the voucher. So before getting the voucher, here are some rules you need to understand over here, that the event started from 7th of August and will be running until the supply lasts. And this is not open, the certification opportunity is not open for general public. Okay. It's open for the partner. As the name itself suggests, partner certification platform. So here it's only for the partner. Now, what does partner means? If your company is a part of Microsoft, just like we have Google certified, Get certified, for which I posted a video earlier, I will share the link in the description also, or you can just check the playlist also. Here I've covered only the partners are eligible, means who are corporate employees, means who are doing job in any IT sector. If you can borrow any email from your relative, you can apply for the certification and claim the voucher. Here the voucher is only for the people who are a part of this particular program, that is Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program. That comes under that thing only. Means you have to use your corporate email. Normal email or college email won't work. I know a lot of people will make clickbait video. There they'll say that everyone can get, you can use the college email also, but here they have strictly mentioned, and as per my responsibility, it's proper to aware you about all these opportunities one by one. If you want a different certification, in the channel also, if you come to the channel playlist, you'll find I have covered multiple certification that are free of cost over here. You can just check out these opportunities completely free of cost. Now talking about here, one voucher per learner. So if you're thinking that you'll complete multiple courses, you'll be getting multiple vouchers, it's not possible. You can create multiple accounts and get the certification voucher. That is a alternate for it. Here we have covered, here you can see these are the eligible courses and minimum passing score is 80%. If you score higher, then it's good. Here you can see one more important thing is that, so here you have to clear the exam in single attempt only. If it's think that you'll just write the questions and after that you'll try to reattempt it, it is not possible. And maybe you won't be getting the voucher also even if you complete. So here you have to apply for all this opportunity. How to apply? First of all, you have to just register over here. Okay. First of all, you need to register over here. Process is very simple. You have to just log into your Level Up account. Then you have to navigate to the certification prep. Let me just open it if it is possible. Here you have to just click on create account over here. Mostly here you have to enter your name, country, email, last name, password, all the things you have to mention. If you have access code, you can mention the access code also. If you don't have, you can just avoid it. Here in the email address, you don't have to add Gmail or Microsoft email. Only enter the email which is your corporate email. For example, here you can see like this, it can be all. For example, different companies have like this. Whatever your company is having the email address, you can use this particular email address for completing this particular challenge over here. Now here we have covered, you have to just go to the certification prep on demand catalog. Okay. So here is the catalog. From here, whatever certification you are choosing, you have to just check that particular code they have mentioned. For example, we are choosing AB100. You have to just search from AB100 over here, paste it, and just search it like this. Here again, here you will find all the courses over here. You can just select the courses in English language or whatever language you are comfortable. After that, what you have to do, you have to just read all the contents which they have provided over here. Mostly, what will happen, you have to simply log into your account and then you'll be able to access the courses mostly. It will contain all the things one by step. If you need any guide, you can comment down below. You can see all these courses are there. Just watch it and complete. You can see start option is there. You can select the language and access the course from here too. So this was the thing I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, to let me in the comment section. This was a quick guide I wanted to share.